Look at this, paypal.com.ae. So you're going to search, so you can now see paypal.ae. So what this actually means is, in Nigeria you cannot create a working PayPal account. So we are going to create a PayPal account for other countries and use it for ourselves. So here's what you're going to do. Click on it. So you can see sign up for free. Own a business, PayPal account, have inquiry, PayPal account for everyone who pays and get paid. So when you see this, who pays or get paid, meaning you can actually use the PayPal account to receive money and to send money. So it's going to work for you to start receiving money. So another thing you're going to do is go to sign up for free. So go to business account, then click continue. Business account, click continue. Create a business account, fill your name. Let me just write some random stuff. You know I have a PayPal account already. This email. Let me find my email that. Okay, let me just run some of my. Okay, let me agree. Okay, just a second. Okay, so they want to confirm my email. You can see password. Let me not save it, it's not necessary. So once they confirm the email, so they are going to ask you to add your mobile number. So you add your, I'm not going to pass this area. So I've almost created the account. So once I pass here, they're going to block my account. So you just follow the prompt and get your free PayPal account. So that is how it's all about. Okay, it's not hard. It's just something simple. Okay, have a wonderful time.